Hello दोस्तों, welcome back to my YouTube channel EDU Update. Today we are going to discuss on the very next topic of our specialization series. So till now we have covered marketing and finance, and today we are going to cover operation and management as an MBA. So within MBA we are having operation as a specialization in which students can opt it as a specialization and make it a good career option. So today we are going to cover this many points like what is operations, what are the benefits of opting an operation as a specialization or as a career, and then which are the subjects we are going to learn within a tenure of 2 years of MBA, what kind of roles and opportunities are already available in the market. So after tenure of our MBA we are going to get job in that particular sectors or opportunities, we are going to grab it, and what are the colleges who provides the operation specialization, who are among the top colleges and along with the top recruiters in India who are giving a best amount of package to a fresher guy who opt operation as a career. So without wasting time, let's start our video. So before starting video, I just wanted to let you know that EDU Update is our official YouTube channel where you will get post graduation related all the topic updates. So please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get all the notifications of our upcoming videos. Thank you. So the very first question which comes to our mind when we call operation management as a career, what is operation management and how a operation management guy can help any organization to grow. So without wasting time, I just wanted to tell you the definition of operation management. Operation management is nothing but a guy with a multitasking role in any organization who has to work right from the beginning of a product till providing a finished good to the customer and after sales service as well. So if there is a requirement, let's take an example to create a particular mobile phone in any company. So to get it created, you have to buy some raw materials, and from raw materials as well you have to create a finished good, and after that you have to make them delivered to a particular customer on demand. So all this will be handled and taken care under the supervision of operation management guy. So here operation management guy's work is to make all this process efficiently without any delay or hindrance in the process. So operation guy has a capability to choose among the various options of getting a raw material from different vendors, and from them to the delivery partners who are going to supply that finished product to the particular customer. He has to taken care all these things. So that's why we can call operation management guy as a multitasking role or opportunity to a candidate with lots of skills which would be required for this particular specializations. The example which I have given to you is from the manufacturing or the industrial side. Let's take an example from the IT sector. If there is a requirement of any software, so operation guy has to handle the complete task like a manager, within which the complete software will be created and would be delivered on the proper or before the deadline. So the task would be same, but they have to work and they have to communicate among the teams as well as among the clients, and the mutual coordination between both of them by knowing the requirement of the client and by getting it done from their team. So this is the task where the operation guy can do in an IT sector. Moving towards the scope, roles and sectors where the operation guy would be required. Scope of a operation guy would be there in all the sectors, but it completely depends upon the knowledge, communication and capability to understand the requirements and fulfill the expectation of a client with the help of mutual coordination among the team. So if we'll check the roles which a operation guy get, the operations roles such as operation manager, plant manager, process manager, then supply chain, program manager and general operation manager. So these are the few roles which are very interesting and very famous for the operation guy. If we'll check the sector, it is spreaded all around, where such as advertising, consultancy, banking, FMCG, retail, tourism, IT, manufacturing. Everywhere the operation guy would be required to taken care certain things and to do it in an efficient manner. If we'll check the subjects of the operation which a student have to learn within a tenure of their MBA, so I have divided those subjects into the two parts, first year and second year. First year part would be the common one for all the streams, irrespective to the specialization. So there are core subjects. So core subjects such as operation management, project management, supply chain design, enterprise resources and planning, then data analytics and business analytics. So these are the few subjects which I have mentioned here as a part of core subjects in the very first year. So moving towards the specializations for the second year, so these are the elective subjects which has to be teached to the specific specialization students only. So those subjects are product and brand management, service marketing, international marketing, then manufacturing strategy, then product design and development, and operation strategy. So these are the few subjects which the elective students have to opt. So these are the subjects which an operation guy will learn within the tenure of their MBA. Moving towards the colleges which are famous for operation and management. So there are very few colleges which are very famous in India. So those are IIM CAB, that is IIM Calcutta, then IIM Ahmedabad, and then afterward IIM Bangalore, and which would be followed by Narsi Munji Institute of Management, which is in Mumbai, and which would be followed by the Symbiosis League College, that college which is completely famous for operations only, which is also known as Symbiosis Institute of Operation Management, that is called as SIOM Nashik, which is in Nashik city, and then which would be followed by FMS Delhi, then XLRI, that is Xavier's Labor Research Institute Jamshedpur, and which would be followed by Nitish. So these are the colleges which are very famous for operation and management. Let's check the salary which an operation guy get. So the salary would range from 3 lakh to 45 lakh per annum approx. The salary is bit low as compared to marketing and finance, just because this is the salary for the fresher, and mainly for operations the organization would expect a person who is from some experience background. So mainly if we'll check, the opportunities in India is less as compared to HR, marketing and finance. So for operations, all the organization would be required a person who must be having some years of experience, past experience, so he would be capable enough to handle a complete team of 5 to 10 people or more, maybe more than that. So it completely depends upon the skills a person is carrying along with the past experience. So the opportunity for the fresher is bit low as compared to the experienced guy. Therefore, if we'll check the salary for the fresher of the tier 3 college, so at least a person will get 3 lakh per annum after doing an MBA in operation and management. If we'll check the salary of the very low graded college, and it will go above as per the top ranking colleges. So if we'll check the top ranking colleges, if you will get near about 20 to 25 lakh per annum of average package from the top colleges. Moving towards the recruiters of the operation management, so these are the very top recruiters in India, which are Airtel, Accenture, Erning and Youngs, then Nike, then Barclays, Kellogg's, Larsen and Toubro, Adecco, PNG, then Amazon, Paytm. So these are the top recruiters who used to recruit operation guys every year, and would be providing average package of 20 to 22 lakh rupees per annum. So guys, this is the complete detail of operation management in MBA. So now it's your turn. You have to take a wise decision towards your career, because this will going to change your complete career. If you are interested in these things, if you are interested in advising or handling a complete team, then this is the perfect choice for you. I myself have done MBA from operations, and I've got the very good opportunity to work with an IT sector. So complete detail of MBA in operation management specialization. Hope you guys like this video. So please click on the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get all the notification of upcoming videos. Thank you guys. Hope you have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.